Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix this error. Here you can see it. So location is not available, C /Windows /system32 /config /system profile and /desktop is unavailable. So first you need just to open your computer, just open my computer. And just go to this location, C Windows system32. So just open it, disk C Windows system32 config system profile, and here you need to create, you won't see this desktop file folder, so you just need to create new right click button and just choose folder, and folder was named desktop, so just click enter. So you know I also have this folder, but you haven't it, so you just create it. And after you do it, you also restart your computer and everything will work. You won't see this error again. But also after you restart computer, best way is to check your system disk for corrupting files, and just go to properties here and just choose disk cleanup. So just check after it will just wait after it will check all the files and just click OK. Delete files, some temporary files, cache and unnecessary files, temporary internet files, symbol, and just click OK. So now everything will work and everything will OK. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.